What's up? What's up? It's your man Jimmy Chan. All right, so this is asking us to use the table of z-scores and percentiles to find the percentage to the nearest whole percentage of the data item normally distributed that lie between z is equal to 1 and z is equal to 2. Well, there's two ways of doing this. Let's go ahead and do it with z tables first. So if I use a z table and looked at z is equal to 1, actually, you know what? Z is equal to 1 is what? Let me see, 84.13. And at z is equal to 2 is 97.72. So if I want to know how much that is lying in between those two, so let me do this here just so you guys can see this. All right, so here is what I have here. All right, so if you think about it, what I have is I have z is equal to 2, so I have this right here. And this right here, they're claiming to be 97.72, which makes sense because it's taken majority of this curve. Now the 84.3 is one standard deviation, so that is going to be something that looks something like this to one standard deviation. So the percentile is 84.13. So in other words, I can take the z-score of 2 and subtract the 84.13, and what I will get is 13.59, and if I round that to the nearest whole percentage, that would be 14%, which is, let me move this over a little bit, which is choice D. And there we go. All right. Now, how else could we do this? Well, since we're looking for in between these two, right, we already determined that, or calculated and showed that this percentage under this curve is approximately 13.5%, which if I was to round to the nearest whole percentage would be also 14%. Right? Because we know that this is 34, this is 34, this is 13.5, right? So we already kind of predetermined that already, and we know we can calculate that. So you can always just use the normal curve and figure out which areas we're looking for and label each of those sections on the percentages that lay in it, and then add them up in terms of what we're looking for. But you can also use the Z table. I hope that helps. Any questions, let me know. See ya. Bye.